and then off you go. They've got 3 modes on it. Here, one's right here. Up high, and you don't have to mess with the lights, so just watch the tires and kind of take it easy. So when you get on the bike, put up the kickstand and you'll hear a little click, and then off you go.
Oh, okay, so there's nothing else to like,
nope.
There's no fake on, or is it,
nope.
It's already on, I guess?
It already is on. In fact, I'll show you.
Okay, cool, yeah.
So you just, it's already on, so when you put up the kickstand, it's ready to go, and then you just
a little bit of, okay, yeah. Oh, shoot, okay, awesome. Cool. So just circle-wise, do you just want me to go out and back, or is there a square I can do?
You just go right out here onto this main street, right around Starbucks, and then right around our big block a couple of times.
Oh, okay, I got you. So I can make like 4 right turns here?
Yeah,
okay, cool.
Exactly. You just go right out on this main street and go right behind Starbucks and around the block. 4
right
turns. Yep, exactly.
Cool. Thanks, Ian.
Alrighty.
All right, cool. Probably like 5 minutes or so?
Yeah, we'll see you in just a few minutes.
Okay, awesome.
See what this is all about. Be careful not. Oh, it's way upright compared to mine. Very interesting. All right, this is very nice. Ian at Contra Costa Power Sports letting me test ride this. I do want to maybe get one of these if it can make it from Brentwood to Livermore on the daily. I can charge it at work, charge it at home. No big deal. So supposedly this one has the power tank. I think that's what they call it. Okay. All right. This is really interesting. There's nothing. There's a brake. Okay. What is this? That's the brake too. Let's see. Okay. This is like super upright. It's pretty quiet. It sounds like, I don't know if that's a regenerative braking system. There is nothing over here. There is no clutch. So it's okay that I go out here? Hopefully. I gotta bring this back. Wow, the braking's all on the right. I mean, just like a regular motorcycle. It's like a golf cart. It's louder than I thought, actually. But it's not loud. Like, it's not as loud as my motorcycle, that's for sure. Oh, I can hear the brakes squeaking. It is super duper quiet at a stop. It doesn't sound like anything. This is an upright position like my Honda CBR 300 or 250, I guess. All right. This thing is super quiet. I should adjust these. There we go. The blinkers are super quiet. You just gotta look down. It's a little less. I have to look down. I don't know if that's just I'm sort of tall. This is a pretty quiet motorcycle, especially when it's just sitting still. That's crazy. Oh no, that one's kind of loose. This thing just at the stop is so surreal. You don't hear anything, it's battery powered. This is crazy. Still at 100%, that's good. At least it's not at 80 or something. I'd be like, whoa, you got a serious battery problem. That brake's pretty good. Oh shoot, it's got a lot of torque. It's got a whole lot of torque. It's too easy to ride. Nah, you can't say too easy. It's just really easy to ride. You don't have to do anything. Oh, nope, that was him, not me. Wow, it's a nice easy stop. Okay, so go here. Whoa, this is serious. Oh, like this thing's kind of tinny, this windshield, but that's all right. This would be great, like a round town bike. Hit the store, go to the bowling alley if you got something to carry your bowling ball in. I don't know, it's cool. It's cool. I like it. In a weird, quirky sort of way. And this thing's kind of flimsy, but that's alright. It's kind of hard to look down. Like for me, I'm like really like moving my chin to look at this thing. It's not like my CBR, it's just right there. I don't even have to scan. I don't even have to go down to look at it. Okay, make a right turn. Very interesting. All right, very nice. Thanks again, Ian. From Contra Costa Power Sports. That's my first time on a Zero SR. It's cool. Definitely different experience for sure. On our merry way here almost. Thank you, Ian of Contra Costa Power Sports, for letting me drive your 2018 Zero SR. Not a bad bike. A little bit, I thought it was going to be even quieter, but at an idle, it's totally silent. And he was moving around the store, and it was totally silent. That was pretty funny. But they got even something even more interesting in the store. I mean, really interesting. First time I've seen it in person. They got a 2021 Honda CB 1000R Black Edition. I was like, oh, wee. Thing is nice. It is just polished. I mean, it is so clean. It still had plastic on the seat. I should have took a video of it, but I was in awe. I was too nervous. It's funny that demo I wrote only had like supposedly 400 miles on it or something, but it felt a little tore up. You know what I mean? Felt like some people were romping on it, you know, test it out, you know. It's a demo after all, right? Oh, but the 2021 CB 1000. Oh man, it looks good in person too. I thought maybe they're doing some fancy things with lighting and camera angles, you know, on the ads, but you see it in person, it looks just as good. Oh, so nice. It was so nice. I mean, it was nice. Can't test drive that without like a demo day. I know how that goes. That's very understandable. That's just how things work. That's the like the unspoken rule. You don't test drive brand new ICE engine bikes. That's just not how it works. You can drive the demo that they built for special, you know, for everyone to try. Oh, it's the first time I've seen one of those jets in real life too. Weird. It's like the semi-private jet. Boom.